First, unlock the camera swivel head and the base, and then hold down on the power button until you see a green light. Next, hit the home button twice to show the iPhone main screen. From here, you will click on Settings and go to Wi-Fi. Wait until you see the Osmo name show up and click that. You are now connected to the camera. Next, hit the home button again to go back to the home screen and click on the DJI Osmo app. Here, once linked with the camera, you will now be able to see video footage, or you'll have to hit a blue camera button and the camera will soon link. Once ready, double click the trigger on the back to level out the camera and you are ready to shoot. Once ready, you will start at the on-point position and walk slowly towards the car. Make your way towards the engine bay, highlighting the engine while the car is running to allow customers to hear the engine. Slowly move the camera down towards the wheels and tires to show what package they have. After this, you'll turn towards the interior of the car and highlight it from an angle. Moving around the driver's side door to show the door panel, as well as the dash. Once highlighting the dash, you will slowly back away from the car towards the back, keeping most of the car in frame. Once at the very back of the vehicle, you will show the back, and if an SUV or truck, you will walk close to show the bed or the cargo area. Once shown, back away once again and make your way towards the passenger side. You will walk towards and show the dash, turn, show the interior from the passenger's perspective, then once again make your way towards the engine compartment, showing the engine running and idling, and once again backing away towards the on-point position. Once done with the running video, you will move on to the non-running video, closing all doors, trunk, and hood, starting in the on-point position and moving from the driver's side, keeping panels of the car in focus, up onto the trunk, down to the rear end of the car, moving around to the passenger side, up onto the hood, and then to the front side of the car and back to on point.